Hi and welcome. If you want to split PDF files or extract separate pages, go to ilovepdf.com and click Split PDF. Select PDF file you want to split or drag and drop it from your folder. Over here you can split by range, for example from page 1 to 4, or extract exact pages you want. Let's select Extract Pages. Over here you can extract all pages or click Select Pages and manually select pages you want to extract. Let's take pages 1, 3 and 5. Click Split PDF. Wait for a few moments and click Download Split PDF. Save your files and extract them from the zip file. For me, this is one of the easier ways to split a PDF document into multiple files. Drop some comments below if you think this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and bye bye.